Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get cooked owl and grow a garden. Alright, let's begin. The cooked owl is a mythical tier pet that was introduced during the 1.10.10 update on June 14th. It was originally obtainable only by joining the game during a limited-time volcano-themed event, which featured a small live show. Players who were present during that event were automatically rewarded with the cooked owl pet. The cooked owl has a special passive ability that gives nearby fruits a chance to turn either burnt or cooked, with burnt being more common and cooked being more rare. This passive can be useful for players seeking specific fruit effects or unique harvests. As of now, the cooked owl can no longer be obtained through regular gameplay or events. However, there is still a way to get it through community trading. You'll need to search public servers and visit other players' gardens. Look for someone who has a cooked owl in use. If you find a player who owns one, try starting a trade. While this pet is rare, some players might be willing to trade it if you offer something valuable in return, such as high-tier pets, rare seeds, or event currency. This method requires some patience and negotiation, but it remains the only current option for obtaining a cooked owl after the event. So that's basically how you can get cooked owl and grow a garden. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.